Today's tropical weather update is brought to you by State Insurance Company Limited. Live in a better state of mind.
Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the Antigua and Barbuda Meteorological Service channel. I'm Sharissa Humphreys, here to bring you your tropical weather update for today, September 15th, 2025. Now let's get into looking at what is going on in the Atlantic. We are monitoring a tropical wave that's showing very high chances of development, as within the next 2 days it has a 40% or moderate chance. However, within the next 7 days it's likely to develop as it has an 80% chance of development. Now this tropical wave is over 1,600 miles southeast of us here in the Leeward Islands, and it is producing a large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms. And a tropical depression is likely to form by the middle to latter part of this week, as environmental conditions around the system is conducive for development. It is currently moving west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour over the central Atlantic, and our models are showing at this time that it will likely take a northwesterly path north of the islands at a safer distance. However, due to how far out it is at this time, we will continue to monitor it if there are any changes in its path of this system. Now, if we want to take a closer look at it, we see that there are a lot of thunderstorm activity indicated by the brighter colors to the north of the system, and we see a small circulation starting to brew around the system. So this is showing that it is in a favorable part of the Atlantic and is likely to develop. However, if we want to take a look at what is going on over us this morning, of course you have experienced some thunderstorm activity and some passing showers throughout the morning. This is due to a weaker trough over us here in the northern islands, and of course we see a lot of this cloud cover and cloud activity to the east of the island still. So this, as a trough continues to move further to the west, could bring some more showers into this afternoon and this evening. And also we want to take a look at a second tropical wave likely behind of this trough that is showing a little bit more activity. However, it doesn't have a chance of developing into a tropical cyclone. So in the next 2 days or so, or next day or so, we could have another increase in shower activity. So this week is likely to look like a very rainy week, so be on the lookout for that. We want to take a look at our radar just to show how much showers fell this morning. We see the patchy blue and yellow areas showing deeper rainfall activity, and we see across the islands, here's Antigua, Montserrat, and St. Kitts and Nevis, and we see a lot of these showers still to the east of the island. So expect later today to get some more showers and possible thunderstorms over the area. Now, that system that we're currently monitoring in the Atlantic, if it's likely to develop by the latter part of the week, Gabriel is the next name on the list. And of course, continue to monitor as we're not out of the hurricane season as yet. Taking a look at where we are, we've just passed the peak. However, most of the activity, as we see from the graphic, takes place after the peak as well. We have a good chance of an increased activity of tropical cyclone formation throughout the rest of the season. And of course, you see the increase in showers and the strength of the tropical waves. So we could be entering an active time. So continue to stay prepared and keep up with us. Now, if you're on the outside and you see anything throughout the rest of the day or the rest of the week, you can always take a picture or video and send to us at abmsiwatch@gmail.com. We'll be sure to share on our social media pages and interact with you in the weather community. So, if you want to keep up with us, remember to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and on X at the Antigua and Barbuda Meteorological Service. Check out our hotline if you're here locally in Antigua and Barbuda, and our website for more weather information. I'm Sharissa Humphreys. Continue to monitor during the hurricane season and have a safe day.
Today's tropical weather update has been brought to you by State Insurance Company Limited. Live in a better state of mind.